name is Lefteris and I have been a YesArmy Designer Pro member for 2.5 years now. Being a Pro member gives me the advantage of having at my disposal at all times a huge source of knowledge concerning all aspects of graphic design. And all this knowledge is constantly updated with the latest data and trends. Martin's design theory courses are fantastic. They're brilliant in showing how and why things work design-wise. They cultivate aesthetics. I sincerely haven't seen this kind of courses anywhere else online. In addition to in-depth teaching tutorials, the courses that Martin and his great team of creatives have assembled include exercises in the form of industry-standard creative projects where you can get personalized, constructive feedback from Martin himself, as well as from the amazing community through webinars and the community platform. Sometimes projects are also real and offer an opportunity to get you on the payroll as a creative designer with a real client. It's very helpful to have Martin and the whole community to be there whenever you have a question. It's also very impressive how quickly my skills have developed through the courses and the feedback of the community. My portfolio keeps getting better and better. I can't recommend having a Pro membership enough.